You got profits to cash out and capital to deposit. No clue where to start? A tap and boom. Delays, mistakes, and lost money. Let's fix this. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to withdraw and deposit money in Opofinance smoothly, fast, and stress-free. Let's make every click count. Let's start with the first method, depositing via TopChange. Open the Opofinance app and tap Funds at the bottom of the screen. On the Select Method page, choose e-wallet, and from the list, select TopChange. Enter the amount you want to deposit and tap Confirm. You'll then see the payment details. To proceed, slide to Confirm and enter your TopChange credentials. The rest happens inside your TopChange panel, and just like that, your account gets funded. Want a deposit with USDT instead? Go back to the Funds section, choose USDT TRC20 from the methods list. The app will show you the wallet address. All you need to do is transfer what you desired money from your wallet to the address. That's it. Depositing with a different cryptocurrency, same process. Go to Funds, tap Cryptocurrency, and from the list, choose the coin you want. Enter the amount, tap Confirm, and the app will give you the deposit address. Make the transfer from your wallet. That is simple. Now that you mastered deposits, let's talk withdrawals. Let's say you want to cash out some profit and put it into your wallet. Start with withdrawal via TopChange. Go to the Funds, tap Withdraw, and select e-wallet, and then choose TopChange. Enter your TopChange wallet address or tap Add if you haven't added it before. Input the amount, tap Confirm, and your request will be reviewed. You'll get an update by email once it's processed. Withdrawing with USDT TRC20. Same steps. Go to Withdraw, pick USDT TRC20, enter the destination wallet address, no tag needed, and submit. The minimum amount is $15. You can track the status in the Transactions section. And good news, you can also withdraw other cryptos directly from the app. Tap Withdraw, choose Cryptocurrency, pick your coin, input the amount and wallet address, and confirm. You'll get a PIN code. Enter it, and your funds will be underway. It's a wrap. Now you know exactly how to deposit and withdraw money in the Opofinance application. No guesswork, no delays. You got questions? Write me down in the comments. I'm here for help. If this video was helpful, share and like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our other tutorials.